So, this episode is going to be a little bit different. Today we received the new 18-inch wheels from Lexus. In theory, this should be big enough to clear our new brake setup. Sadly, things didn't quite work out. We lost some footage from the day, so what you're seeing here is the only footage we actually have of the wheels we originally ordered for the car, which were 18-inch bolas. The wheels we ordered had 18-inch outer diameter, but the inner diameter gave us only 16 inches of clearance, which is the same amount as the stock 17s gave us. We weren't given any diagrams or technical drawings of the wheels or an indication of this unusual sizing, as usually the rule is that if the outer diameter of the wheel grows, so does the inner diameter, as that's really the only reason you want to go for bigger wheels, is to have more space for your brakes. Now, it's worth noting that all of this was happening right at the end of lockdown here in the UK, so most of the companies weren't yet up and running to their full operational capacity, and our supplier actually took the wheels back and gave us a full refund, which is great. However, we still ended up in a situation where the Lexus was taking up more and more time on the lift, and we needed to get it off. This resulted in us playing some creative car puzzle to get the Lexus off the lift, involving humongous spacers to fit the BBS wheels with wrong offset, which were never meant for the car in order to move it around the workshop. Most of it isn't quite the quality we expect from ourselves, but we think you might get a good chuckle out of it. So Bob, is this, what's the word? Road legal?
Obviously. Wide. It's wide,
Is it?
legal.
It's legally wide.
It's, I don't know, it's just wide. Why do you...
It's a fucking flick, boy.
Oh, it's what I'm talking about. It looks mint, doesn't it? It looks OEM. Literally OEM. Many pluses.
OEM plus 20.
I hit my one. Jeez, that hurt.
Okay, so to get the blue car off the lift, we need to do some creative car Lego. We'll be putting on some ungodly and unsightly spacers on it.
Which, disclaimer, don't do it, ever. We just use it to roll it around the shop. That's it.
Yeah. Are you still heartbroken about the wheels?
Yeah, because it's like, you're getting, like, there's no benefit of running a bigger rim. So, like, smallest possible on this car is 18 inch. And, like, all other 18-inch wheels clear, except for those. Okay.
They're a bit pissed.
Fed up. for the blooper video.
Yeah, I mean, the main video will be 20 minutes, the blooper video will be an hour. And we're going to do a giveaway for anyone who sits through all this. Because if they endure this,
we can like, I reckon we can like give away a pencil or something.
we can give away a donut wheel.
We getting branded pencils?
Oh!
I mean, we're getting stickers, but we're getting branded pencils.
Mate,
Yeah, everything.
flip-flops, everything. Branded flip-flops.
Rebel Classics flip.
They will have
Mate,
like a
I will wear
supercharger
them
on top.
everywhere. Knee-high socks. Knee-high Rebel Classics. Yes! Right, thigh-eye. I'd rock them everywhere. Okay, £50. I found it. What, for some knee-high socks? Jesus.
that's so expensive.
No, they're Rebel Classics original. To be fair, yeah.
Right. Oh my god. Will it rest on the arches?
Oh, sweet Jesus.
Because like the suspension isn't set up at all.
I mean, especially
Oh
in
my
set to
God.
stock, isn't it?
Oh my god.
And
I like it.
hey, actually, it doesn't look too horrible.
Hey!
So OEM plus plus.
Fitment. That's the fitment. There's no way we can steer it, but
Stance plus plus.
just watch out because it might wrap just a little bit.
Yeah.
Just,
And put like a 50 quid in a dash for the MOT test.
Yeah, exactly. Bang, please.
Yeah. Please, look, it doesn't poke out that much.
what are you talking about? Okay, I'm looking for some.
MOT test is just like.
I'm not sure about that.
It's gonna take more than 50 quid.
One eternity later.
Jesus, fuck. Oh, you can go forwards and backwards.
Drag car.
It's just, yeah.
Let's just take it to Santa Pod.
Jesus. Looks great though. Yeah.
I mean, it looks good. Sounds horrible.
Like when you look at it, it's like, I'm telling you. How many pluses is on that stand? It's like
OEM stance plus.
Many pluses.
I think you'd have to put it on a loop station and you'd finally get the desired amount of pluses. I'm telling you, even if you were deaf, you'd have some sort of bodily instinct that would tell you to stop.
Yeah, it's like the body just vibrating.
Well, the entire car would just shake.
You can have to drive it. But hey, is it of the lift? That was the main. No, that wasn't the main principle of today. Today was just supposed to be a fun day.
Yeah, they were supposed to put the wheels on and tires.
Drive it away into the sunset.
Yeah, and
Ages ago.
It's now 6. No, it's 5. And we just got it off the fucking lift.
Okay, I need to make my car run because basically.
Oh yeah, because your car is still.
Yeah. So what I need to do now.
Is it all you thought it's going to be?
It's more. It's more actually.